jealous of the rain, jealous of the wind that ripples through your clothes. It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the wind, 'cause I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. Jealous of the nights I don't spend with you, wondering who you lay next to. Oh, I'm jealous of the nights, I'm jealous of the love that wasn't here, gone for someone else to share. Oh, I'm jealous of the love, 'cause I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me, as I sink into sand, watch you slip through my hands. Oh, as I die here another day, 'cause all I ever do is hide behind your smile. I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me.
Hey, well done, Keris. Louise, what did you think of Keris's performance?
Keris, we say it over and over again, but your tone is just so unique and it's so gorgeous. You could sing anything, and if we just happened to hear you off the cuff, we'd know it was you, and that's such a sellable quality to have in the music industry. So make sure you keep hold of that regardless of what you sing. Make sure you stay true to you. I thought this was a really lovely song choice for you. I thought it was more kind of mainstream than the previous weeks that you've done. And it was really lovely all the way through. Obviously that middle bit, I know you struggled with it massively in the week, and we worked and worked and worked on it. And that wasn't the best I'd heard you do it. It was a bit of a mess at the end. Just the all I do is hide behind your smile. Just that little bit. The bit leading up to that wasn't too bad. It was just that last section. But again, you know, fixing things like that, it comes with practice, with you know, just keeping going over and over and over things. But it's definitely a song that you can, you know, keep in your repertoire and pull it out at any time. But I thought it was a gorgeous performance. You're so natural. You're so lovely to watch because you're inside yourself, and it's just beautiful to see. So big well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, it was really nice to hear you take on a song that's really sort of like well known, because it allowed us to see how that unique sound sounds against something that's been sung. It's been sung quite a lot. It's been covered quite a lot. But your version, because I think you've got one of the most unique tones that we've got in this competition at the moment. So when you put a tone like yours with a really common song, you get something completely different. And I think it really, really worked for you. I think the main focus for you is just getting that confidence and that belief that you actually do have a talent in there, because on the videos a lot of the time it seems as if you're holding yourself back. There's times when you're going with it and you're quite natural, but then it's almost as if something clicks and you're like, oh my god, and you stop yourself from continuing with our natural flow. So I think that's the main thing that we need to focus on with you is that belief that you could have quite a bright future with the talent that you've got, and you just need to believe that now and have a little bit of faith in yourself and your ability.
Yeah, Keris, I mean, firstly I want to say, like, obviously, you know, this process is for all different types of singers and that, but I find it really, really helps singers that have got a very unique individual sound, and it really does. Over the seasons I've seen those people probably benefit the most, and the reason why is because when you have such a unique sound like yourself, to you as a person, to us as a listener, you know, we're hearing this and whatever, so, but to you is almost like an insecurity, because it's not the norm. It's not the normal polished, clean, this is how you're supposed to sing sound. It's not that. And when you were around society that build up on that, right, you've got to be polished, you've got to be on point, you blah blah blah, when singers like yourself are around, that is a dampener on yourself, and it does make you feel unsure. And I don't know if this is something that I want to advise you now, obviously, because I want you to get better from this performance, but I see that insecurity, you know, I see that, you know, you're very unsure of, oh, can I do this like this with this twang? Everything about what you do as a singer is correct for you, all right? So don't shy away from it. Don't hold back on certain things. Don't think, oh, I'm not right, this end right, this end right. It's your sound. Whatever song you do, take advantage of putting your sound on it. Never ever shy away and think, oh, I can't do it like that because that's not how it's normally sung. You are your own artist, right? And I need you to remember this, because this is so important, because I feel like from this performance, the only thing we're missing is just you lack that insecurity of, ooh, can I sing it like that? Can I sing it like that? You sing it like you, all right? Make it your own. Don't hold back from making a song your own, because that's what you were capable of. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. I truly believe you're a very, very raw talent, and this is all new to you. And this is what we're getting already. I really do feel like you're capable of going right to the end of this. I really do. But take that advice on board. Don't hold back from that uniqueness. Whatever twang you want to put in there, throw it in there. All right? Well done.